We went there to fight Taliban, to help Afghanistan security forces. Any country where you see Americans going there, we are going there to help their security forces to stop ISIS. We are not going.
TV show. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń lọ náà la mú wá o. Ara àwọn ọmọ ogun Amẹ́ríkà kan ti sọ̀rọ̀ tó jẹ́ ọmọ orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ọmọ Yorùbá tó jẹ́ ara àwọn ọmọ ogun ilẹ̀ Amẹ́ríkà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ pé àwọn Amẹ́ríkà ń bọ̀ ní orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà tí à ń gbà bí ẹni gbàgbà ọtí. Àwọn kan ní wọ́n fẹ́ wá kó wa lẹ́rú ni o. Àwọn kan ní wọ́n fẹ́ wá kó wa ní nǹkan àlùmọ́ọ́nì ni o. Àwọn kan ní kán máa bọ̀ wá. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan máa bọ̀ wá. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni èmi ti ń sọ tó bá yẹ pé Amẹ́ríkà la wá bá wa stop gbogbo àwọn agbésùmọ̀mí ní ìlú mi ní alẹ́ àná wọ́n sì mú kan lára àwọn ajínigbé. Wọ́n sì security alert kan wà ń tà ń sìn fún wọn lágbègbè wa l'Ondo State. Yàtọ̀ sí táwọn DSS fi kọ lẹ́tà tán ní àwọn swap wọ́n ń bọ̀. Wọ́n ṣe voice note kan síta láàárọ̀. Àmì ilẹ̀ ló ṣe voice note yẹn. Ẹ jẹ́ kán máa bọ̀. Ọmọ ogun Amẹ́ríkà ẹ̀ máa fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ. Ó dẹ̀ sọ àwọn ibi tí àwọn ní ibùdó sí, ibi tí camp wọn wà láwọn Amẹ́ríkà tí wọn ò dẹ̀ gbà ló lọ́wọ́ wọn. Òun gan ń yà lẹ́nu pé Amẹ́ríkà ń bọ̀ láti wá ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Ẹ wá ń takò wọ́n pé kán máa wà. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé ó make sense? Ìjẹ́ ilé make sense sí i? Ṣé ó make sense? Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ òótọ́. Ṣé lè make sense? Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ṣé lè make sense? Amẹ́ríkà fẹ́ wá gbà wá sílẹ̀, ẹ̀ ń takò. Ẹ wò ọ̀tá pọ̀ o. Ṣé ká ní ọ̀tá pọ̀ láàrin wa ni àbí kò yé mi? Àbí ibi tá ń ronú sí? Òun ni mo ṣe ń sọ pé perspective everybody ló yàtọ̀ síra. Àwọn kan wà lórí radio station tí wọ́n ní kó máa bọ̀. Àwọn kan wà tí wọ́n ní kó máa wà. Ó ti di rògbòdìyàn láàrin wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo fọ́nrán iná ká tẹ̀ tó tẹ̀síwájú. Ẹ ṣeun.
To help Afghanistan security forces. Any country where you see Americans going there, we are going there to help their security forces to stop ISIS. We are not going there to fight them because you people don't have sense. We are not going to fight any countries. Most people who join me, they don't know anything. They just join me. Most Nigerians they join me, they just join me because of paper. They don't know anything about the army. Now we don't go be army. Now we they represent army. Those ones don't know anything about me. We have base in Germany. We have base in Poland. We have base in Kuwait. Up to now, why we don't see the natural resources? We have base in everywhere. Iraq. Till we just never. Why we don't see the natural resources in Iraq? We have base we have base in Jordan. Camp Adifan for Jordan. Why we don't see the natural resources in Jordan? We are always there for peace. We are always, because the whole world, they rely on US Army. They rely on US Marines. So that's why we haven't fought war. Any place we go to is for peacekeeping. We are supporting because the whole country depend, not like all those Chinese who they come America, where they call it suffer. Chinese is good. They are coming to America to do paper. Have you seen any Americans going to Chinese to do paper? On our mouths. America is the greatest country. So respect Mr. President. We are not going to Nigeria to fight the innocent people. Mr. President is sending the troops there to stop terrorism, to stop genocide, to stop kidnapping. They are not going there to fight Nigeria. All these ones say, all those one boy portable, all those Mr. Jalov, they tell those get those idiots. US Army strong. US Army strong. US Army strong. The number one in the world. The greatest thing what happened to me now, this I joined the US Army in my 20s. I left Nigeria in my 20s. US Army strong. Grace for the channel. Nobody fit check on. Nobody fit check on. And I see all the celebrities and some of them, some of them pastors. Now they talk rubbish. Say, number one, make a first start from this place. I thought, say that now, USA can't like America. Say that now, USA can't like America. Say, USA don't like America. Number one, go and check fact. I don't say most of them for Nigeria na be mumu. Now why look, I come out there when in my 20s, early 20s, because I don't say most of them be mumu for there. Now what's in the top for man? Now maths na they always talk. In I thought say USA don't like Nigeria. Say now they just like Nigeria. Say una don't say Nigeria now he get the highest population of Africans for USA. And USA don't like Nigeria. Go and check, because now the check record, now no get sense. All na do na to cruise. We don't know say na cruise Nigeria dey for no sense. Just come cash cruise online, nobody get sense. After 3 days, they don't forget, they don't move on. Anywhere the left is fans, now no get sense. Now one na president, with all my leaders, then they chop na head, now no get sense, because they know so most of them no get sense. Now 10 kilo by me when I get. Let it don't get happen. All happen, they kill many people, they lie say na AI. Say no happen, now no get sense. No brain. I always thank God, say I joined the greatest force. Covered by the greatest force, they don't put anybody papa mama way up on top of my own lyrical head. Now thought say US no like America, USA no like Nigeria. Now Nigeria plenty past America. Go and check your record. I don't just talk like you or whoop say I don't get sense. I need to do research. Now Nigerians plenty pass for Yankee among all the old Africans, but USA no like Nigerians. But now Nigeria plenty pass. Number 2. You're not going to spread the yaya rumor. They see all those only buruku portable, all those idiots, Mr. Jollof, all those gay when you get sense. When they said, nah, all of them don't try to apply for American visa. They don't give that Jollof. The portable don't beg for American visa more than 25 times before they can't give them the 26th time. All those gay, they don't go US embassy, they deny them. They're plenty like that. And at the end of the day, now America, they still can't settle down. They can't big party in their old age. And all the buruku. Now Yankee, they save all of them life. Nobody. But now this same Yankee, I thought say no like now. Now this same Yankee, now they come. When say all of that they use to last hope, all na British. If the life don't spoil for Nigeria, now don't fall off. Now Yankee na go come the big party. We are the always talk evidence yakpa. I save him. Mr. Jollof don't go US embassy more than 5,000 times. They don't give him visa. Only buruku. He can't talk to now America like Nigeria. Nigerians now plenty pass for America among the old Africans, and USA don't like Nigeria. Number 2, in a thought say if USA go any country, say any country where they enter. They always scatter. Now lie. Now no get sense. Now they do now research. Now only Brooklyn most of them. Now why I japa in my 20s? Now I can't join the greatest force, which I'm always happy. Fake army where they he pain them. You understand? He pain them. US army to gara fake army. In a thought say US army, then they go anywhere where they go. Say that they always make sure say the country no progress again. Now they only Buruku. Make account the numbers of country where US army day, where the country see they progress. We have a base in Poland. Poland is still progressing. US Army is in Poland right now as I'm talking. US Army is in Germany. Why their country? Why we not steal their natural resources? They are coming to steal our natural resources. And any country where they go. How can you come from one country and be stealing somebody's natural resources? How is it possible? If at all, if any country will steal anybody's natural resources, it's going to be with the permission of that government. Now, no get sense. Now, how long will I go take to move for Nigeria? All politicians don't know say na foolish. Now no get sense. Now why they always play on our brain? How can somebody come from another country and enter another man's country and be stealing their natural resources without the approval of that government? How is it possible? It's not possible. So if at all, if any country will even want to steal anybody's natural resources, it's with the permission of Naoga. So it's not possible, which is a lie. Only in Sipuruni, now go to any country where US go, you know they progress. Libyans are the one that killed Gaddafi themselves. It's not America. America has nothing to do. Show us your evidence. Because you all are entering my DMs. Some people are entering my DMs. This and that. Don't come. Mr. Trump is not telling, Mr. President is not telling us to go to, they not tell US Army to go to Nigeria to go kill, it's not to kill anybody. It's for peacekeeping. They are not going to Nigeria to fight innocent soul. What Mr. Trump was talking about, Mr. President is talking about is that they should stop killing of the Christians. And the Christians could be anybody. Because if they come for peacekeeping, it's everybody they will protect. Because nobody say they go right now for anybody else. Say this one a Christian, this one a Muslim. Mr. President don't need any of your natural resources. We have everything in America. That is why all of them they come America. And the country we are fighting for, that's why we stand for America. Because that's the country I'm fighting for. So all of Nigeria British, Nigeria they come. They come the big party, all them Dr. Seed. All of them, they plenty. Today is not the day where J1, all of them, the day after their career don't crash for Nigeria. Now here they come. All of them, in America they come. Why they don't go to another country? But in America won't come to your natural resources, but all of them won't come to America. And I don't say that they're mad. The whole world wants to come to America. The country be defended by the Marines and the US Army. All of them won't come. Thief. But you all will be talking shit about America. And I go talk to America is the one sponsoring all those kidnapping, terrorism in the world. Where's the evidence? Where is your evidence? Why all of them they come America to survive, to come do paper? And you know the Buruku, LSC. We have a base in Poland. Why we not steal the natural resources? We have a base in Germany. We have US Army went to Afghanistan to work with security forces of Afghanistan to fight against Taliban. They didn't go there to fight Afghanistan. They went there to fight Taliban that are fighting Afghanistan. And we left Afghanistan because we spent too much money in Afghanistan. We lost like 1,000 soldiers. Taliban that died, there are over 100,000. Taliban will buy for Afghanistan is over 100,000. Go and check. We only lost 1,000 soldiers or thereabouts. So US Army is the number one. There's nothing like we left. We ran away from Afghanistan. We didn't run. We left Afghanistan because we were there to help their security forces and we are paying too much money. It's not like all those idiot soldiers that doesn't know anything. Like this one that is following, where they follow Portable Talk. We don't know anything about. See as they follow Portable Talk. See person they follow Portable Talk. This one, like Mumu like this. See. See as they follow Portable Talk. No energy. See soldier. We're supposed to position Portable. We're supposed to basic pay. This one don't know anything about army. He doesn't know anything about army. Forget in rank. See as they talk. We're supposed to, I don't feel talk but Portable they talk because there is action. Now we don't go be army. We get action anywhere we went. People they fear us. We know the history. USA Army didn't go to Afghanistan to steal their natural resources. We went there to support these Afghanistan security forces to fight the Taliban. And they were able to, to bring down US Army of like 1,000 soldiers thereabout. Taliban were buy for this over 100,000 when we drop. We left Afghanistan. We didn't run away in Afghanistan. We left there because we spent too much money there. We have all our big planes there. Mobility command, air mobility command, everything we come out for there. All this one don't know anything about army. All our equipment, we even left some because we are wasting money there, over billions of dollars. That was why we left. We didn't run away in Afghanistan. They know. We not in Afghanistan. Taliban will fight Afghanistan. We didn't go there to fight Afghanistanis. We went there to fight Taliban, to help Afghanistan security forces. Any country where you see Americans going there, we are going there to help their security forces to stop ISIS. We are not going there to fight them because you people don't have sense. We are not going to fight any countries. Most people who join army, they don't know anything. They just join army. Most Nigerians who join army, they just join army because of paper. They don't know anything about the army. Now we don't go be army. Now we they represent army. Those ones don't know anything about army. We have base in Germany. We have base in Poland. We have base in Kuwait. Up to now, why we don't see the natural resources? We have base in everywhere. Iraq. Till we just never. Why we don't see the natural resources in Iraq? We have base we have base in Jordan. Camp Ajifan for Jordan. Why we don't see the natural resources in Jordan? We are always there for peace. We are always, because the whole world, they rely on US Army. They rely on US Marines. So that's why we are always out there to support. We haven't fought war in a very long time. Maybe the last time we fought war, maybe it's the Vietnamese time. We haven't fought war. Any place we go to is for peacekeeping. We are supporting because the whole country depend, not like all those Chinese when they come to America, where they call it suffer. Chinese is good. They are coming to America to do paper. Have you seen any Americans going to Chinese to do paper? On our mouths. America is the greatest country. So respect Mr. President. We are not going to Nigeria to fight the innocent people. Mr. President is sending the troops there to stop terrorism, to stop genocide, to stop kidnapping. They are not going there to fight Nigeria. All those ones say, all those one Portable, all those Mr. Jalov, they tell those gege, those idiots, those illiterates, those na pastor, those show with all of them. They are going there to support the masses, people that have been taken advantage of. Now we don't go be military, we know the work. We know the work. But it's my journey here, so I just make a clear and doubt. US Army strong, fight for the right, and the army is rolling along, and it's high.
Ẹ̀rí gbogbo ohun tó ń lọ káàkiri orílẹ̀-èdè àgbáyé, ẹ̀rí gbogbo ohun tó ń lọ àwọn China náà, àwọn náà ń lé fùrù kọ̀ọ̀kan mọ́ Amẹ́ríkà. Ok, ṣé àwọn China wá ní wọn ò rí nǹkan tó ń lọ ní Nàìjíríà láti ọjọ́ ẹ̀? Gbogbo àwọn ìlú tó fẹ́ máa dá sí ilẹ̀ ọ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan sí, ẹ rí nǹkan tó ń lọ lórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, mo wà lórí péjì kan lórí Facebook lálẹ́ àná. Ìyàlẹ́nu tí nìkan tí mò ń gbọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Ìyàlẹ́nu ni o. Mo wá ṣe mistake, mi ò ṣe screen recording. Ìyàlẹ́nu ni nǹkan tí mò ń gbọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá kan tí kóra wọn jọ àwọn ọmọ Mùsùlùmí, wọ́n láwọn Kìrìsìtẹ́nì ló ń pààyàn ní Nàìjíríà pé kì í ṣe Mùsùlùmí o. Ohun tí mo gbọ́ nìyẹn o. Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn wa, ṣé lóòótọ́ ni? Wọ́n láwọn Mùsùlùmí ló ń pààyàn, wọ́n láwọn Kìrìsìtẹ́nì ló ń pààyàn nínú Nàìjíríà pé kì í ṣe Mùsùlùmí. Kìrìsìtẹ́nì ló wọ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì lọ pa àwọn ọmọ Kìrìsìtẹ́nì. Kìrìsìtẹ́nì ló ń buná sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì kiri. Ọmọ Kìrìsìtẹ́nì ló fẹ́ pààyàn. kìrìsìtẹ́nì ló fẹ́ pààyàn tó ń ṣe àlàwákùbárù tá dẹ̀ ń rí wọn tí Gúnmi ń jòkó pẹ̀lú wọn tó ń jọ ń ṣe mítìn, wọ́n ní kìrìsìtẹ́nì ni wọ́n. Ẹjọ́ ṣé lóòótọ́ ni? Èmi mọ̀ gbà tí Fúlàní ti ń ṣe kìrìsìtẹ́nì o, mi ò rò pé mo rí ẹyọ Fúlàní kan rí, ẹyọ Fúlàní ẹyọ kan rí tó ń ṣe kìrìsìtẹ́nì, mi ò rò pé mo rí rí o. Bí ẹ̀yin dẹ̀ ti rí rí ẹ lè ṣàlàyé fún mi, ṣé lóòótọ́ ni? Eléyìí tójú sú mi o, ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa. Wọ́n ní àwọn kìrìsìtẹ́nì ló ń pààyàn ní Nàìjíríà, wọ́n ní kì í ṣe mùsùlùmí o, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá. Àfìgbà tá a mú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tá a da ojú ẹ̀rú lórí pé Amẹ́ríkà ń bọ̀ láti wá ràn wá lọ́wọ́. Àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ pé á kàn wọ́n jìnnìjìnnì ti bá gbogbo wọn. Àwọn tí wọ́n mọ̀ pé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí bá délẹ̀ tó á kàn wọ́n jìnnìjìnnì ti bá gbogbo wọn. Ẹ wo nǹkan tí Gúnmi ń sọ lẹ́nu. Àsáré Tòkunbọ̀ oníranù torí bàǹtù bí odò ọ̀yà. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ lẹ́nu. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó ń sọ lẹ́nu. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, èní ni ààrẹ Nàìjíríà, ààrẹ Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, ó máa ní ìpàdé pẹ̀lú Donald Trump. Ẹ jẹ́ kó so èso rere. America must come to Nigeria to come and rescue us. Ó ti pẹ́ tá a ti ń pè fún international support. Kì í ṣèsìn láwa relent. Kì í ṣèsìn láàṣà padà pé àfẹ́mọ́ o. Ẹ jẹ́ kó máa bọ̀ wá. Yes. Ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa bọ̀ wá. Amẹ́ríkà ẹ wá gbà wá sílẹ̀, apá wa ò káwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí nínú Nàìjíríà. Bó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. Ẹ wá gbà wá sílẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ àwọn agbésùnmọ̀mí, apá wa ò ká wọn. Apá wa ò ká wọn. Ohun tó ọ̀rọ̀ ní kó má sọ wọn. Ok, ẹ ń sọ̀rọ̀ àlùmọ́nì. Ṣé ẹ̀yin kí lẹ ti jèrè nínú àlùmọ́nì tẹ́ ní? Kí ni nǹkan tẹ́ jèrè ń bẹ̀rẹ̀? Ẹ wá sọ fún mi o. Kí ni nǹkan tí ẹ jèrè rí nínú nǹkan àlùmọ́nì tẹ́ ní? Kí lẹ benefit ń bẹ̀rẹ̀? Epo àwọn kan ló wà ń díẹ̀. Gas àwọn kan ló wà ń bẹ̀. Bitumen àwọn kan ló wà ń bẹ̀. Gbogbo resources ní lithium tó fi ń ṣe battery àwọn kan ló wà ń díẹ̀. Kò sọ́nà, kò sépo. Mo bá ẹnìkan sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ni tára ẹ̀ ò yá very critical. Ohun tó sọ fún mi ó gbomi lójú mi. Àwọn dókítà á fún lápọ́ìntmẹ́ǹtì, wà á débẹ̀ tán wà á ti lọ rẹ́ǹtì ibi tó fẹ́ sùn sí for 2 days. O ò ní rí dókítà tó fún ẹ lápọ́ìntmẹ́ǹtì. Ìgbà tó mọ̀ pé wọ́n ní attend sí ẹ, kí ni wọ́n fún ẹ lápọ́ìntmẹ́ǹtì fún? Before you know, the person will pa ẹ́. Amúná lọ. Ó kú nìyẹn, ó lọ nìyẹn. Donald Trump ní if Nigeria government did not do anything with what is going on in Nigeria, they will intervene. Nǹkan tí wọ́n sọ nìyẹn. Àwọn èèyàn ní Amẹ́ríkà sọ pé àwọn ń kó ogun bọ̀. Ibo ni wọ́n ti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀? Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ tí arákùnrin yẹn sọ? Ṣé bọ́ ọmọ Yorùbá ṣáà ni? Ó dẹ̀ wà nínú ọmọ ogun Amẹ́ríkà. Ó mọye irú ẹ̀ táwọn ti lọ. Àwọn èèyàn wá ń gbé reference síta. Àwọn ló bà Iraq jẹ́. Àwọn ló bà Kuwait jẹ́. Àwọn àbá. Situation tí Nàìjíríà wà ó yàtọ̀ sáwọn country tó mẹ́nu bà yẹn. Yes. Ṣé the same thing ló ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa láwọn country tẹ́ ni wọ́n lọ wọ́n bà bẹ̀ jẹ́ wọ́n ṣe nǹkan kan? Ṣé the same thing tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Nàìjíríà ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn? Ìlú wo ló ya olórí burúkú bíi Nàìjíríà lágbàáyé? Ìlú wo ni àwọn olórí ẹ̀ ya olórí burúkú tí wọ́n ní ṣàǹfààní bíi Nàìjíríà? Ìlú tọ́lọ́run dá lọ́lá jù òun ni Nàìjíríà. Ìlú tọ́lọ́run dá lọ́lá, tọ́lọ́run mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ ṣe lóore jù. Gbọ́ nǹkan tọmọ ológun yẹn sọ. Ṣé kìí ṣọ̀rọ̀ ló sọ yẹn? Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin ènìyàn, mo kí wa ní gbogbo ibikíbi tí ẹ bá ti gbọ́ mi o. Èmi ọmọ yín ni. Wọ́n ní kókókókó lòun agogo tó gbẹnugbẹ náà òun akèrègbè. Òjòjò oníṣòwò kó wọ́n mà nájà kókókó lára ọ̀tá ń lè. Ara yín á máa lé ní ẹ̀ ní ṣàárẹ̀. Thank you.